Tagal mo na nagre-rent, wala kang maring property. Ito na ang chance mo na magkaroon ka ng sariling property. For as low as 11,000 monthly, you will have this resort-type amenity. Olympic-sized pool, kiddie pool, fitness gym, and recreational facilities. Tara, at itutur ko kayo sa Parkville. This is a master plan community for Parkville residences. 10 hectares of this will be for future commercial area, and 52 hectares will be for Parkville residences. This will be the Butler Center, the gym, the co-working study lounge, leisure club, the soccer field, and Olympic-sized pool. This is the top view for our amenity court. This will be the kiddie pool, the Olympic-sized pool, the soccer field, and our clubhouse. If you want all of these amenities, message me now or comment down below.